Day 5 of Vlogmas. If you'd like to see some healthy habits I use to help me lose over 100 pounds and what I eat in the day on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share some healthy habits that I use to help me lose over 100 pounds. And I'm also going to share with you the food I eat in a day to help me lose weight. And it's based on the Weight Watcher Personal Points Plan. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day, come on along and share the day with me. And stay tuned for some healthy habits that will help you lose weight. For breakfast, I'm making an egg scramble. I'm sauteing some mushrooms, onions, and 1 piece of pre-cooked bacon. And then I will add the scrambled eggs. And I'm having a slice of rye bread. It's only 2 points. I will mix that up until it's cooked. And then I'm going to add a piece of Velveeta cheese for 1 point. And that is a very filling breakfast. And it's a total of 4 points. And it's a great way to start the day. I'm also having a 1 point Dunkin' Donuts coffee. For lunch, I'm having a bowl of leftover soup, chicken noodle soup that I made the other day, and that's going to be 4 points. I'm having an apple, and I made a grilled cheese sandwich in the air fryer with a piece of ham. So it's a grilled ham and cheese. It's going to be 1 point for the ham, 1 point for the Velveeta cheese, and 2 points for the bread. So that is going to be an 8-point lunch, and the apple is 0 points. For the grilled cheese, I simply sprayed it with some, I cannot believe it's not butter spray, and that browned it when I was air frying it. The grilled cheese is nice and crunchy. It's so good in the air fryer, way less points than frying it in the pan with butter. I'm going to share some healthy habits that I use to lose over 100 pounds on the Weight Watcher program. Right now I'm doing the Weight Watcher Personal Points, and I just want to share with you some habits I found that are very helpful in weight loss. One healthy habit I have found to help with weight loss is to eat a healthy breakfast every day. I never used to eat breakfast every day, but I find that breakfast will keep you full and stop you from making those bad choices you may come across during the day. So if you eat a healthy breakfast every day, make sure it has some protein in it. It will keep you full and keep you on track for the day. Another healthy habit is to avoid restaurants. If you can do that, it's much healthier to cook your own meals. You go to a restaurant and eat their food, you don't know what exactly they're putting inside of it. When you order a piece of grilled chicken, it may be cooked with a lot of fats and oils. It may be marinated in oils that increase the calories for the grilled chicken. But when you cook at home, you know exactly what you're putting in that chicken. If you're grilling it, it's grilled chicken. You can use no fat or a very different kind of fat to grill your chicken. So that is one reason why you want to avoid restaurants. And also, you don't know the points. Like when you order a salad at a restaurant, I find that sometimes they are loaded with calories and you think you're ordering something healthy, but they have all kinds of ingredients and dressings that increase the salads. And if you do happen to eat at a restaurant, look at the menu first, make your choice before you get there so you know exactly what you're eating. But I do think the best way to do it is to cook yourself and to avoid the restaurants. A third healthy habit I feel that helps you in losing weight is to weigh yourself on a regular basis. It doesn't have to be daily, but if you do it weekly, it keeps you in track when you're on your weight loss journey. And you just know if you're going, there's fluctuations every day in your weight, but if you do it at the same time every week I know I use the same clothes, but if you do that, it'll just help you monitor your weight, how it's going up or down, and maybe it may stop you if you find yourself a little bit up, it will stop you in the tracks and you'll get restarted and ready to go. I know a lot of people don't like weighing daily. They hate the scale, but you know, we are trying to lose weight, and that is a great way to monitor how you're doing. Another healthy habit in your weight loss is to avoid sugary sweets. Any foods with added sugar will, I find it makes me want to eat more. It just stimulates my appetite. So if you have, if you can eat the sugary foods if you want to on the Weight Watcher program and count your points. But if you do it, it just sets you up maybe for eating more than you should. And once you stop eating the sugary foods over a period of time, you'll find that you crave it less. So if you avoid it, it will be a healthy habit that will really do you wonders for your diet and your weight loss. A fifth healthy habit is to start drinking a lot of water. It is essential to weight loss. If you drink 2 cups of water, 16 ounces of water before every meal, not only will it help you lose weight, but it will curb your appetite and it will help you to just eat less. And a lot of foods are filled with sodium, and the water will flush it out and help you lose weight, because sodium does have a tendency of holding in water. But if you drink more water, it flushes it out. So it works very good and is essential in helping you lose weight. So just drink as much water as you can. Drink it before meals, drink it when you wake up, and you'll find that it benefits you. The last healthy habit is to exercise at any opportunity, whether you're at the mall shopping, park at the farthest spot away. If you have opportunity to use stairs instead of an elevator or escalator, to do it. It's just, when you're sitting watching TV, move your arms, move your legs, get up more, make sure you get up off the couch and when you're watching TV and exercise, and just do as much as you can. Any opportunity, it will just enhance your weight loss, help you go farther, lose more weight, and basically it will get your metabolism going and you'll burn those calories faster. So those are some of the healthy habits I have used to lose over 100 pounds, and I wanted to share them with you. I hope you can take advantage of those and use those on your weight loss journey. Here's a dinner I made tonight. I'm having chicken salsa, which I've done a couple times on videos. It's with taco seasoning and salsa. I have some rice, and that is 3 points worth of rice, 1 point worth of cheese on top of the chicken, and the beans, which is fat-free refried beans, for 0 points, and 1 point of light sour cream. So that is a 5-point dinner. After dinner, I went to one of our local grocery stores called Mark's and picked up a few items. Here's some containers. I bought some kiwis, bought some apples, and some Laughing Cow cheese, which is only 1 point per section. Snack today, I'm having 4 points worth of Ritz Thin Crisps crackers and 2 tablespoons of peach salsa. So that's going to be my snack tonight. And that'll be the end of my day for eating. So that's the end of my What I Eat in a Day video. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.